What can I do with a 100 chart?
Hundreds charts or boards can be used to model many concepts and skills, such as even numbers, multiples, and skip counting. But it is particularly useful for modeling thinking strategies involving addition and subtraction. For example, how would you calculate this?
I would count on 3 ones.
Okay, then how would you add this?
I would count on 2 tens.
Very good. So how would you calculate this?
I would move the counter down before I moved it across.
That is a typical response. When we add in our heads, most people tend to start with the greater place first.
What about subtraction?
Well, there is no one correct way. For example, to calculate this, most people will subtract the tens, then the ones. But you could subtract the ones first too.
I guess that's why this is a powerful visual model. It helps students understand that there is always more than one way to add and subtract.